Hello guys, Mommy Anna the Wilson's on the go. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa lahat sa tanan natong mga viewers diha. By the way, I just realized that I have not made a video to all our winners. I want to congratulate all our winners, those that have participated in our live stream last Saturday. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Almost 7 hours of live stream. I know it was crazy and my hair is crazy too. But anyhow, I want to make this announcement because my rules in there did not say that if you are not in the live stream, the 7 top pointers will not be able to get their prize. Yes, you can get your prize. Please, please, please message me in Messenger under Anne-Marie EMPENADO-WILSON. That's going to be Anne-Marie EMPENADO-WILSON. To our 5 consolation prizes of 100 peso load was Freda Lee The MFM vlog. And the second one is Richard's World. The third one is It's You Won Me. The fourth winner is Joana Kiana. And the last one is Carol Iwasaki. Alright. And for our second prize winner with 95 points goes to Marilyn Johnson. You earned and you win 500 peso load as well, or not peso load, it's money really. It's 500 peso that I'm gonna send, as well as our first prize winner with 140 load is Rose DIY. Rose DIY, again, please message me under the messenger, Anne-Marie EMPENADO-WILSON. I'm gonna type it in the description below. Also to our live winners, we have a lot of live winners and I could not keep up. I'm still trying to message all of you. But please contact me if you have not received anything. I am trying to send and coordinate with whoever's going to send you your prices. Please do not contact our sponsors. I will be the one to get all your information and I am going to give it to them, all right? So I'm going to link my information down below and please message me, all right? And if you are our live winners, you already know what game you won, and I verify it with all my lists. That's all for right now. Thank you all for watching. I love you guys, and remember, do things that will make you happy. Bye.